Hello, instructor and class. This is my Microsoft project status report. We are currently 5 months into the progress of the Microsoft training project, and we are currently on a status of green for our overall progress. Some of the milestones that we ran into for the elements of status, of course, were 3 bullet points as seen. The trainer availability for the originally hired was not technically declined, they were advertised. Time was spent researching a new trainer, and their availability to be at the desired location when the time comes was successful. Bullet point 2 was a shortage of the desired training equipment. When the first venue was contacted, they had miscounted their available equipment for the date in question. A few days later, the venue had called us back and explained to us the situation. They had stated that out of all of the products to be available, when we need them, we would have to move our date because 74 pieces of equipment from our order was already rented out for that date. Before canceling our order with that venue, my team and I searched for another vendor who could meet our needs when we needed them met. After 2 days, we found a vendor able to compensate us for the date needed and with all the machines quoted intact. The dates are still as planned, and with everything fulfilled so far, everything is good to go. 6 milestones have been completed so far with time to spare thanks to my team. They have done an amazing job making sure that each part of this project goes as smooth as possible for everyone involved. The 9 upcoming milestones are as follows. Milestone number 7 is anticipated to be yellow because things may not go as expected when working on site. I want my team to be prepared for anything. Things may go smoothly, but just in case it doesn't, that is why this milestone is yellow. Milestone number 8 is also anticipated to be yellow because this milestone can easily go from yellow to amber if a trainer that was available is no longer available. Milestone number 9 is anticipated to be green because caterers are usually pretty flexible when it comes to dates as long as they are booked early enough before the date needed. Milestone number 10 is anticipated to also be green because the dates of selection would be easy to determine if the dates selected are chosen a little down the line. Milestone number 11 is anticipated to possibly be amber. This is anticipated to be amber because reserving air travel, transportation, and lodging can go wrong. There can be an overbooked reservation somewhere that needs to be prepared for. So just in case, my team will make arrangements to have a backup in place for transportation and lodging. As for air travel, there isn't much my team or I can do about weather delays or cancellation for flights, which can set us back and therefore put us in amber mode. Milestone number 12 is anticipated to be green. Notifying students or employees would be an easy thing. If one isn't contacted directly, then there are other methods of contact, such as secondary phone numbers, voicemails, emails, or company memos to each individual person. Milestone number 13 is anticipated to be green, but can easily move from green to yellow or amber for setting up equipment. Assuming that all goes as planned, the equipment for the training program will be set up by professionals contacted to do so for their proper operation. Once turned on, everything will follow as planned with my team in mind. Milestone 14 is anticipated to be amber. If a member of my team cannot deliver on their set training portion and no one else has learned the proper materials, then I will have to take their place. Milestone number 15 is anticipated to be green. Student-employee surveys usually go the smoothest of any step. The only thing a survey requires is monitoring. With determination from my team and I, the proper vigilance in monitoring and controlling through every schedule, every risk possibility thought of, and procurement management, we can see a very successful project delivery. That concludes my PowerPoint for this evening. Thank you for listening, and everyone have a good night.